Take some chicken breast, clean it properly. Remove excess water and cut into small pieces. Now blend the chicken and make a fine paste. Keep the blended chicken aside and chop some onion, cilantro, and green chilies. Now add the chopped onion, green chilies, and cilantro with the chicken. It's time to add spices to make it more tasty and juicy. I will add garlic powder, ginger powder, salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and some black pepper powder. For binding, I will add 1 egg. To make it more crispy and smoothie, I will add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and ½ cup of all-purpose flour. Now it's time to mix everything together. I'm going to mix it well and let it rest for the next 2 hours so the chicken can absorb the spices. It's been 2 hours, and the chicken is ready to fry. I'm going to heat some oil in a pan, shape the marinated chicken into small balls, and fry them until they turn golden brown. They should be fried for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, I'll place them on a paper towel to remove the excess oil. In a separate pan, I'll boil some spaghetti for 8 to 10 minutes. Once it's cooked, I'll strain it and place it on a plate. Then, I'll add the fried chicken balls on top and pour some sweet and sour sauce over them. And that's it, the chicken balls with spaghetti are ready. Eat and enjoy.